Hey everyone, welcome back to my corner. I'm of course Sala, and I'm here with a brand new collaboration video thingy going on. Morty is on his channel hinted at a collaboration he was going to do a good while back, and some names were dropped occasionally and stuff like that, and now finally this weekend it dropped. On the 6th of April we had the song released, which was The Mysterious Ticking Noise. This is Mortius, Jennifer Glatzover, Marvin Amen, Casper Fox, and Peter Barber all in one huge collaboration doing this thing, and I am so excited. So this is going to be really fun. I don't know what to expect apart from the fact that this was like a huge collaboration between these awesome people. So before we head in, if you haven't done so already, just quick reminder to subscribe. It does help out this channel so much, and it's so appreciated when you do. We are closing in today. It's like 25 left to get to 1,000 subscribers, so that is really close at hand, and I'm so excited. And there's going to be something happening on my other non-reaction channel, and I'll post it on this one as well for hitting 1,000 when we do. I'm really excited about that, so stay tuned for that. As this is a reaction video, I will also be stopping and commenting during the song, so head to the link on Mortius's channel for this song and check it out there as well. Support him, subscribe to him. He is an amazing reactor, and he has so much great info when talking about the way people are singing and stuff like that, from his acapella background and his singing background, stuff like that. Check him out. He is amazing. And yes, and obviously all of the others as well. Check out Jennifer's channel as well, Marvin's and Casper and Peter Barber. All of them, go check them out. I'll link all of them in my description as well, but they are also on the video. So if you head over there to Mortius's channel to watch the video, you'll also find all the channels there. So yeah, without any further ado whatsoever, I think we are ready to head in and check out this song. I'm really excited. I hope you are too. This is going to be awesome. So we are ready to check out Acapella Pals singing The Mysterious Ticking Noise. Awesome start, having everything from the top to the bottom here in the bass. I'm assuming that both Peter and Casper and Marvin was doing bass-ish things going on here. We have the beautiful voice of Jen on the top there, and Mortius also filling in on his awesome tenor. Loving it. Let's keep going.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
For those of you who don't know what that is, it's an old meme. It's really fun. Check it out. Go just search for Snape, Severus Snape. You'll find it.
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry
Hermione.
Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry
Hermione.
Potter,
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter, Harry
Hermione.
Potter, ooh,
Hermione.
Harry Potter, Harry
Hermione.
Potter, that's me.
Snape,
Harry,
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 Snape.
Harry.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Hermione.
I'm Harry
Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yeah.
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Brilliant.
I'm gonna go further back a little bit because I noticed my chin was hitting the bottom of the frame when I was going like that. So yeah. Yay!
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
I found the source of the ticking. It's so stupid.
Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Yeah.
Brilliant. Awesome. So much fun. Musicians having fun is the most fun thing when it comes to music. I love it. And I mean, it couldn't be anything else. It's just wonderful. Couple of more people were involved as well in addition. So check them all out. Wonderful people, amazing musicians and performers and reactors, everything. Check them out. And that's it for this time. Do leave a like, leave a comment, and check all the other wonderful people there. And that's it for this time. Thank you so much for watching.